gosto, padre. Tchau. Tchau. Tchau.
Welcome to Discutari. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe. It seems like both Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs are going to have Brazilians in their midfield. So I'll be telling you all about that. There is a Brazilian that is going to replace Ure Lebohile Mofokeng. Go Orlando Pirates, I'll let you know who that is, and also and another Brazilian. I've already told you guys about this one, but don't go anywhere. The rumors are persisting. I'll let you know another Brazilian that is being linked with Kaizer Chiefs later on during the show. So don't go anywhere. Let us have a look at this clip.
Hello. Wait a sec. All right, how are you? Are you good? Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Are you happy to be here?
I'm excited.
Excited. You love this badge.
Too much. You see the man
How are you?
Nice to see you. But you look shorter than this on the pitch.
He's tall.
Yeah, he's tall. Nice to see you, man. Welcome.
Hey, I'm Makosi family. I'm Ronaldo Lina. I'm here to join the goalkeeping department. I'm Makosi for life.
Yeah, no, unfortunately, Siyambona lapha Ronaldo's dream is over. The World Cup, it's reaching the business end. Portugal is out. Spain, what do you think about their chances of winning the World Cup again? Batole is second star sabo is Spain. So yeah, I don't know what are your thoughts on Spain. With Siyabona with teams like Abu England, teams like Abu France, all the big fishes. They are, it's the business end of the World Cup. Ronaldo's dream is over. His last dance. Sibonile Portugal iphuma today. So Cristiano Ronaldo's dream of winning World Cup. It looks like it won't happen, but yena hasn't made any official announcement which we are retired. So we'll see. Sibonile lapha yena abo Sadio Mane no Mahrez. Riyad Mahrez announcing their retirement from international football. And lapha Chiefs in terms of goalkeeping, Simbonile Chiefs announcer Reynaldo Lina. Reynaldo Lina is he set to replace Peterson. Alfaya has submitted a 50 million offer for Peterson, so it's not like Fernando da Cruz will be spoiled for choice. Sibonile uBontle Molefe naye bamnikeze a contract. Fia Krintwari being linked with a move back to ETS Galaxy. So yeah, that is the current goalkeeping situation. It means Kaizer Chiefs they have 5 quality keepers. uBontle Molefe Simbonile ubuya ku loan. Untwari he was playing second fiddle to Vuma no Peterson last season. So those 3 is quality goalkeepers, international goalkeepers in their own rights, and then Ntakalani no Bontle Molefe. As it stands, those are the 5 current keepers. However, Untwari no Peterson, they are linked with exit Peterson to Alfaya, Untwari to TS Galaxy. And then a Brazilian that is set to replace Mofokeng, it's still a rumor for now. That is Bemvindo. Bemvindo is a midfielder left. He's a right winger. He's a left-footed. Udlala laphayana ku-right. That is a midfielder. Sibonile Orlando Pirates being pipped by Mamelodi Sundowns to Usiyanda Zwane. Usiyanda Zwane bathi uyawayiphasa i-medical yakhe ku-Orlando Pirates and was set to join Orlando Pirates. Unfortunately, Mamelodi Sundowns managed to hijack that deal yaga Siyanda Ndlovu. So Orlando Pirates are currently talking to Bemvindo, having made sales yaga Mofokeng, and also Oswin Apolis is linked with EFC Porto. That deal nayo is currently in negotiations. I don't know if Orlando Pirates can afford to sell Mofokeng no Apolis at the same time. But yeah, sizobona because maybe they might follow the same routes. Bonile Kambungkota Kala walandela TLB manje sekhamba Mofokeng. Probably the next in line is Apolis to Porto. Porto Portuguese Giants regularly campaigning in the Champions League babonisa interest. And laphayana iGood Chiefs, Bemvindo, Ibrahim Pantse from Marumo Gallants, he is linked with Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs, Fernando da Cruz could be spoiled for choice laphayana esiswini. Yeah, but I'm a player afana nabo Mthethwa, nothing is being announced in terms of our contract renewals. Siyazi ukuthi contract yakhe iphele nge-31 June, so we don't know. Players like abo Pule Modi, contract yakhe nayo iphele 31 June. Abakakhulumi nge-exit, so still training with Kaizer Chiefs. So maybe the negotiations are still happening. I will keep you up to date ukuthi kwenzakalani ngalawo ma-player aphelelwe ama-contract. But those players, they did play a decent amount of games and made a fair contribution both in the CAF Confederations Cup and Nagu League, Naguma Cups. So I don't think those players will be going anywhere. But yeah, considering Guti Chiefs is a competitor in 5 different competitions this season, they can't afford to let them go, especially Lama player and experience. But however, what they can do, maybe they'll be looking to add more depth into the squad. And the latest news is that Ibrahim Pantse Marumo Gallants, he is set to join Kaizer Chiefs. Those are still a rumor for now, but I will keep you guys up to date in terms of a transfer yake Ibrahim Pantse. As I've done, I've been informing you ukuthi Ronaldo Lina since last year June, he was linked with the Kaizer Chiefs and they were not able to pull off the signing. And another signing, this one is a big rumor, but I think it's probably lies more than a rumor. With the Kaizer Chiefs, the Mamelodi Sundowns, they are talking with Lokuzan, Pasadi. Okay, that was a video yaga Lucas Ribeiro Costa's uncles and his family, they are talking, revealing which club is he rejoining Kaizer Chiefs. Sibonile lo monye bekagqoke iskipa seMamelodi Sundowns, sibonile lo monye ayenze isign Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah, it's sparking rumors. Is he going to Sundowns? Is he going to Kaizer Chiefs? Simzwile laphayana, I showed you that clip la athi Kaizer Chiefs, big team. Was that a hint ukuthi uza ukhosi? We don't know. Let's drop your thoughts on comments as Kulmen ngayo Ribeiro Costa on the comment section below. Do you think that is a hint which he's gonna move to Kaizer Chiefs? If that is the case, it looks like Fernando da Cruz is going to be spoiled for choice in the coming season. Right, guys, remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.